Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. And obviously in here you're looking for the hotspot toggle. So if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages where it looks like the toggle is located for me. Once you see yours, you want to hold it the first time around, and that will quickly take you to the settings in which you can quickly customize it. So we can select right here, hotspot settings, and number one, you have the hotspot password, which will be randomly generated, so you could get rid of it as it's not a good password, and then set up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters and numbers, it doesn't really matter. You have a couple additional options, but I do recommend keeping them by default. So the only thing that I would recommend changing, like I said, is the password. Click save, and then this will change or save the changes. From here, find the toggle once again and simply tap on it to enable it. And all you need to do now is connect with your other device to your brand new created hotspot. Now once you're done with it, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. Hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery when enabled, so there is really no reason for it to be running in the background if you're not using it. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.